Hello YouTubers, this is Tia from Musings of a Mystic, and I'm back with another unboxing. Now this box is huge, so this is probably going to be a little bit weird. If you have come to see tarot videos, this is not a tarot video. You can go over to my my channel and see my other videos there. If you are interested in getting a tarot reading, my information will still be down there in the description box below. Any way that you need to contact me and where you can buy the things that are in this box will also be down there in the description box. Otherwise, if you want to see the witchy occult things that I have in this box, then stay tuned because we're getting ready to get up into the box, okay? Okay. So, I'm going to go ahead and open it. I just got this morning. So, I haven't done anything. I haven't opened it. I basically know what's in here. And I'm excited. Even though I know what's in here, I'm so excited. The stuff that's in this box, you guys can go check out on eBay, my eBay shop. My link will be below for that. There's a box within a box in here. We've got Russian nesting boxes. This stuff always smells good. It's interesting how it smells good. So I've got 4 candle holder things. They're silver. If you hear people in the background, that's just my kids and my sister and stuff. So, little silver candle holder thing. I've also got 4 gold ones. Last time I had these, they went pretty fast, so I bought some more. I think I bought almost twice as many as I had last time. These are actually a little bit bigger than these silver ones, and they're not shiny either. But anyway. Yeah, the silver ones are actually smaller. The bigger ones, weird. Okay. These are, like, huge. But anyway. We got the little star candle holders for chime candles, and also, I guess, the little smaller, pillar candles. Adam and Eve candle. Adana and Eva lovers. This is going up in my shop for about $10. It's glass, so I'm going to put that back in here so it does not get broken. Now these are not fixed. These are ones you fix yourself. But it is a label candle, and it does say on the side, attraction, man and woman, love of God, happy marriage, love of children, long-lasting love, and then it's got it in storage. Put that down there. This one I think is the road opening glass encased candle. I want to open it, but I can't find the way. Use your scissors, Tia. What are you doing? I think when my kids open the door. Yep, this is Abri Camino. Love, money, health. And then it's got in Spanish. This is a pretty heavy freaking candle. This is weighty. I'm probably gonna have to ship it with a priority mail so that it has insurance on it. I prefer to do that because if they lose or break the candle, they have to pay me for it. I've also got the Gypsy Witch fortune telling cards, which I have a pack of them around here for myself. Maybe I'll do a video on that by itself later, but I've got 2 of those. Gypsy Witch fortune telling, that's Lenormand. And I've got some books. The Master Candle Burning Book. The Master Book of Candle Burning, excuse me, by Henri Gamache. Then I've got The Power of the Psalms, which is an interesting. I've wanted to look in this book for a while. So what I might end up doing is selling that one used, because I might use it first. And then we have The Old Style Conjure by Starkasas, which I've listened to part of the audiobook through Hoopla, which is very cool. Thank you for ordering. Please take a few minutes to check your order. Check for smaller items in the corners of your box or inside of larger items. If there is any damage, please let us know right away. Please include your order number, who picked, who packed, is the item missing. We'll touch it. Okay, cool. So far, everything looks good. There goes my T-ball thing. I'm gonna buy this for myself. My other one got lost somewhere, so I bought another one, and what I'm gonna do is buy it for myself, so I don't lose money. Cat Squad. I think other Capricorns, Tauruses, and even Virgos will understand, like, that whole thing there. You know what? This one can actually come out on itself. There's a bunch of candles in here, I believe. Oh yeah. Yes, good mama. So I actually thought this knob candle was going to be bigger, but it is not. That's okay. I'm pretty sure somebody will enjoy that just the way it is. I got one of those. I've got one of the red ones. Maybe I'll put it back in the box so that I don't have to worry about where it is. I've got a lover's candle. I might have to take it out of the package to take a good picture of it, though. I can't really see that on camera, but who knows how it will show up with an actual picture. But anyway, this is 2 lovers holding each other. I think I've got 2 of these. Yep, I've got 2 of those. A pink female figural candle. I only got females this time. Next time I get males. I've got a blue. I think I've got 2 of these. 2 or 3 of these. 2 or 3 of the pink ones. A blue female. A pink female. A couple of red female figural candles. I might be able to find a picture off of the actual Azure Green site, though. There's a red female. Another pink. A blue. Another blue. there's a few green ones. One, two, three. 2 green knob candles, 3 green females, 3 pink females, 3 blue females. I do not want to damage you, honey. 3 or 4? Do I have 4? No, I've got 3 red females, 2 purple females, oh, I've actually got 3 lovers candles. Then I have to check my stuff just to make sure. That means I only have 2 red female candles and 3 lovers candles. And 2 purple females. But anyway, it'll all be on the website pretty soon. Okay, so that is basically what I've got. I've got cards, I've got candles, and I've got books. And I've also got star candle holders. And that's it. So, if there's anything in here that you saw that you want, it'll be on my shop website in the next, like, 2 or 3 days. Less than a week. Right now I am doing a little bit of a sale since it is around Black Friday and Cyber Monday, so you can get these things. My camera turned itself off again. I don't know why. But anyway, like I was saying, that you can get these things for a little bit of a discount right now. You can also get readings for a discount. I think I put that up in the community tab where you can get those discounts there. Go check that out. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tip, donate, and comment. Bye-bye!